What keeps millions of strangers living together without constant chaos? Why do people follow laws, respect authority, and give up certain freedoms? The answer lies in a powerful idea that has shaped modern societies: the social contract. The social contract is a philosophical concept that explains the invisible agreement between individuals and the state. It suggests that people willingly give up some of their personal freedoms in exchange for protection, order, and stability provided by a governing authority. This idea helps explain why governments exist and why citizens accept their rules. The roots of the social contract go back to the 17th and 18th centuries, especially to thinkers like Thomas Hobbes, John Locke, and Jean-Jacques Rousseau. Hobbes believed that without a strong authority, human life would be solitary, poor, nasty, brutish, and short. In his view, people accept strict rule to escape violence and fear. Locke, however, argued that governments exist to protect natural rights such as life, liberty, and property. If a government fails to do so, the people have the right to change or overthrow it. Rousseau took a different approach, claiming that true freedom comes from obeying laws that reflect the collective will of the people. What makes the social contract so important is that it places legitimacy at the center of power. Authority is not supposed to come from divine right or brute force, but from the consent of the governed. In theory, governments rule because people agree, either explicitly or implicitly, to be ruled. In modern societies, the social contract is everywhere. Paying taxes, obeying traffic laws, accepting court decisions, and even respecting public institutions are all part of this agreement. In return, citizens expect security, justice, public services, and basic rights. However, the social contract is not static. When people feel that the system no longer serves them, when trust collapses, inequality grows, or rights are ignored, the contract begins to crack. Protests, revolutions, and political movements often emerge when citizens believe the agreement has been broken. Ultimately, the social contract is not just a theory from old philosophy books. It is a living idea that continues to shape debates about freedom, authority, responsibility, and power. Understanding it helps us see why societies function and what happens when they stop working.